All right, guys, y'all can see my screen. Hope everyone have a good holiday with their family. Took a little break from trading. Let's get back to it for a new week, well, short week. So I'm gonna start at 10:01 to give people a little bit more time, even though I'm recording this, so I'll post it. All right, so we'll start with SPY first, and then I'll go down the list like I always do. All right, so SPY. I'm bullish so far, guys. I'm going into tomorrow. I'll tell you why right now. So I got a trend line, going back about 3 months, October, and SPY started basing around this area. So it's showing like it wants to build off of here and goes to the upside more. So I got a couple alerts for the chat to be aware of. Downside alert over here. And we got a upside alert over here on SPY, which I think if we open green, it's gonna crack this alert, so I'll probably have to update it. But I'm basically bullish, but since I know it's a short week, I don't expect a big move to the upside. I was talking to Seif actually and telling him that I believe we're gonna trade in a channel of 387 and like 380, maybe 379. The only way I'll be optimistic is if we go above my 50 EMA, which is this blue line here, guys. If we go above that, it's definitely should go at least to this price zone over here to the 392s. And this is my volume profile line by default, so that's a resistance zone. Okay, let's see what we got on the 15. Yeah, yeah, if we get above 387 on SPY, then we could fly. But I don't know. I think we might have to get rejected around 387. So that's going to be a high rejection area for SPY tomorrow, 387. Let me stretch this out a little bit more for you guys. So yeah, 387.5 is a good one. It's a good area to watch for rejection on SPY tomorrow. So I'm going to put a line there and I'll set that as an alert as well. Later on, let's do the Qs should follow. I just don't know which one looks stronger. Which one looks stronger? Which one looks stronger? Let's look at the daily. Yeah, I definitely gotta adjust these alerts. So I'm gonna definitely adjust them. Sorry, I had a busy night right now. So yeah, the Qs look just as strong. Let me see these other indicators. 1 second, guys. Okay, so nah, the Qs don't look strong. Take that back. SPY stronger than the Qs. Although the Qs is holding this is a nice buy zone right here. This I'm sorry, 264 area. It's a nice area of confluence where it likes to react. So it's still something to watch. I'm just saying that SPY has potential more of a move to the upside than the Qs. So I'm gonna adjust these lines. Hold on, can I just do it now? Yes, I could. Okay. This is definitely rejection right here. Two, 271.15. Okay. And it already says rejection, so that's perfect. Okay, so I'll just set that up for y'all. Remove this. Okay. Okay, so that's rejection for that. And I'm gonna move these. Obviously, I'm gonna put a one below just in case we gotta be prepared for the bear side. Oh, got that wrong. Sorry, guys. Okay. Right, and this one I'll adjust later. I'm not gonna do all this in front of you guys, so it's just wasting time. So I'm bullish on the Qs, SPY. We could look at the VIX if you guys want, but I'm not gonna run through the VIX. If I'm bullish on the Qs and SPY, that means I'm bearish on the VIX. All right, so let me run through some names. All right, so the first one I want to go into is Friday Zoom, right? Remember I was talking about this one on Zoom with you guys? 9 is an energy company. I got a few other energy names that look good. So we got a significant amount of volume on the daily right here, guys. Let me stretch this out. There you go. So volume right here, high. So I honestly want to wait for a pullback around 12.5 to try to get entry for calls. This is really pushing upside. It of course is in the overbought zone, but look at where it reached the overbought zone. It really extended almost. Oof. Wow. So it extended from literally 71, because yeah, it starts getting in the overbought zone around 71. So we're from 71 all the way to 86. So it still gives us room. We already cracked the recent resistance, guys. Look, it just cracked this one right here. So I'm expecting it to revisit at least up here or up there. Either way, I'm bullish on it. That looks good. MACD already looks good. It already crossed. Now we might see some rejection here. Why? Because it rejected here. But the bulls are in heavy. The bulls started increasing ever since Wednesday. So Wednesday they got in, Thursday they got bigger, and Friday they got even bigger. The day I mentioned the ticker. So I'm definitely watching 9. Like I said, I want to wait for a pullback of 12.5 for the bounce and try to get in. Let's see how it looks on the weekly charts. Okay, this is how it looks on the weekly. And it's above my 50. It's above a lot of EMAs on the 15. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, this might be the all-time highs for this chart. No, it's not. I lied. Okay. So let's go over here. Price action. Wow. Yeah, this thing dumped from there. It looks like it wants to reclaim these levels from where it took a big dump. So I'm gonna watch. So 15 is a possible call strike for sure, because over here it just flushed straight from 15. So basically 13 and change, and then it tried to reclaim and still got slapped down. So I'm basically looking for 9 to reclaim that $15 area. If technical analysis goes through, everything looks bullish. I don't see really any bearish vibes, especially with the Friday move. Friday move was kind of strong, and we called it early. I think I called this ticker around like a little bit before 10. Yeah, a little bit before 10.
Yes, you did.
And this thing went crazy under our nose, man. So big time watch for that one. I'm gonna just keep going with some energy names since we're already on energy. The next one I like is Hallburn. Yes, Hall looks juicy, guys. Let's look at Hall. The daily looks gorgeous. Let's dissect this.
A different one, brother. That shit does it to me all the time.
There we go.
There you
Thank you. So we got a nice green candle towards resistance. You know what I say, guys? I like any candles on the upside to if I get a green candle on the daily and it's at resistance zone like this candle, then there's a good chance it could still continue. This might be the push that it needs to keep going higher. That's basically what I'm trying to tell you guys. They do have ER. I just peeped right now. Earnings to 20. Oh, that's next month. No. December period ending date January. All right. So this could be a pre-ER move. We got a nice little pullback here on the R side, going more to the upside. The MACD looks like it just, yeah, it literally crossed on, oh, it crossed on Wednesday. Actually. The MACD crossed on Wednesday. It's growing to the upside. Is on the positive side too, the MACD. So that's a good thing. So we gotta be patient and wait till it cracks. At least, let me choose levels. Hold on real quick. I gotta mute somebody 1 second, bro. We got a hot mic. Oh, yeah, all right. Sorry, climbing. So 39.90. So I will wait till we get to 40 and like I'll say 40.15 to sit and hold 40.15 to get a build on the upside. But I'm not bearish at all on Holborn. Energies had a good like move on Friday. I was going through charts and a lot of energy names did move to the upside. So we could watch Holborn above that zone. And if it gets above there, then we flying to 41, you know? Yeah, I'll say 40, almost 42. So we're gonna definitely watch Holborn. I'm gonna set these alerts too. I don't want you guys to think I'm gonna leave it like that. Like I said, I had a crazy night, so I'm gonna do all this after we done with Zoom.
I was just
So
gonna say, my bad, brother. Paul has earnings the 24th pre-market.
the 24th of December or
Of January.
oh okay, yeah. I was thinking I don't know why I don't even know why they put December there. They should just knock the shit off and just put ER date. But yeah, I was thinking January. So yeah, I think it might be a pre-ER move on Hall. So we might catch it early since I've seen this pattern. So, and I don't see why not. This is a nice area where it bounces. We got at least 4 to 5 bounces in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even more, 7. So it bounced those 7 times before it finally kept pushing. So bullish on Hall. There's another one over here that's called SM. Another one, another energy name right here. SM energy. Yeah. This one is actually I confused the Hall and this is actually the one that I said looks juicy because beautiful bounce of support and it's been consolidating in this price action last week, like literally almost a whole week. It's been consolidating between 34 and 35. It looks like it doesn't want to go any lower from there. So I'm taking my odds to the upside, sorry. And then easy. Look, see guys, right here, price rips. It did rip here. It just didn't have a strong rip, but it bounced off there. So we're trying to catch the next bounce. But this is a big buy zone for a halt. This thing, look how far it stretches back, guys. It's nice. So this is what I usually do, guys. I'll draw a rectangle to dictate like where it likes to bounce at. And this is definitely an area for SM to take off now. What we got here, perfect double. Oh, I didn't even see this other pullback rip. So it literally bounced off this yellow RSI line, used it as support to go more to the upside. I was just gonna talk about this double bottom because I love that first, but I didn't even notice this little pullback here. So that's positive, right? We got this literally just kissing, literally just kissing. So this is strong. Usually when it kisses, it rips. So this might be, not might be, potential a swing, I'll say, because if we could get in before this actually crosses, we could possibly ride this all the way to at least till it gets to the positive side. And that's gonna be at least a 3 to 4 day thing, most likely. So I'm definitely gonna watch this one. This shouldn't be a hard price target to get in at. I'm gonna say as soon as we start touching 35.90, I'm gonna put my eyes on her. So I'm gonna put an alert just now and I'll update it later for you guys, but I really like this one. Oh, right there. And I'll update it later. Don't worry. Keep that like that. So we got SM Energy, we got 9. We got Paul Burton. Okay, so let's talk about, do I got any more energies here? 1 second. No, no. So those three, I like 9, Hall, and SM for energy sector. Now let's go to my favorite health sector. Man, I always play Merc, guys. So let's go to Merc. Look at this trend line Merc is respecting. It's ridiculous. All right, so Merc, it's been on a rally, if you ask me. What's all these trend lines? There we go. Okay. So this is a nice 3 to 4 month trend line that Merc is just respecting it to the T. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7. So that tells you that it's strong. Whenever you have multiple touches on a trend line that you make, obviously if you make it right, but you make the trend line right, you get multiple touches on the trend line, you should be steering. That's the right way to steer. So you should be on the right path. So this is, I mean, so depends on when the market opens tomorrow, but it might open higher. I'm gonna be honest, it's literally there. But I'm really looking for I really want the 112s, you know. So if Merca pull back on us to 111, maybe 110.5, I'll like the entry because, like I told you, it's been on a rally. And look what this area right here on Merc has been like a support zone. So I'm gonna just extend it for my own technical analysis, because I just want to see how the candles are gonna build the next days. If I don't get in, I want to see how the other candles are gonna build. So maybe it could be a possible second entry instead of getting in on the breakout. Because if Merc does want to reject, I don't think it's gonna go lower than, I'll be honest, I'll say 110. I'm gonna respect these candles right here. I'm just have that rectangle there just to give me some sense of the price action or price level that I want to catch it. So if we get a pullback down here around, so we could definitely catch Merc for calls. I'm not bearish at all. Still bullish on it. Look, it just crossed. Merc is just, it's amazing stock. I didn't know it never did so well until this year. That's what's crazy. This is the only thing that's a little bit troubling me, the Mac, but I'm not that stressed about it because we're still on the positive side. Now, if we was on the negative side, or if this thing was peaking here and just crossing, then I'll be like, no, stay away from Merc because we need this to cross to go dump it to try to rebound. So it's going to the upside already. So the MACD could possibly be curling, and the bulls are getting, the bears are getting weaker on the MAC as well, guys. So Merc is one to definitely watch this week. I'm gonna put a alert on the bound zone for us right now, and I'll just adjust it later. And the breakout is gonna be 112. 112. Now I want to get a nice juicy entry for us. I'm gonna wait till we hit 112.50 around 112.50 or 149. 1 cent is not gonna make a difference, but yeah, I want to get a nice clean entry on Merck. So we're gonna watch Merck. Another one that I like besides Merck, health sector again, guys. Yeah, we got. Yo, that's crazy. I see you typing in my notes. See, that's fire.
Bro, I didn't save when I did it on my phone, so I'm doing it over on the iPad. I thought you been had that shit. My bad.
It's all good, bro. That's um Merc. Oh, UNH. Apologize. I was thrown off. My man Steve putting in some tickers at the bottom. All right, so we got United Health. United Health got a nice pattern here, guys. Look at this strong candle we got on the daily on Friday. Once we get above my 50 EMA, I think she flies. So I want to put my alert. Actually, this is actually where I want to put my alert. So let me just put it here and I'll update it later and delete the other line. Yeah, that one I want up. So UNH looks promising. I'll be honest, guys. This thing, when it goes, it goes. So we could catch her right here. The thing I like about UNH a lot is that it's giving me a sign that the volume profile line is this, guys. My volume profile line, which correlates with this purple VP indicator, is basically like a volume indicator just on the side. So that line is built by default. That just comes with this. So I like that it's actually bouncing and wicking off of there and it's showing strength to the upside. So it's giving me the hint that United Health is respecting that VP line. And that's why it has potential more move to the upside because it bounced here. It even bounced there. It bounced here too. We got a couple bounces under the VP line here, but it went under slightly, but it's still a strong bounce zone because it bounced at least 3 or more times from there. And look, at the beginning, before this drop happened, and I think this was data, if I'm not mistaken. We had data that week, if I'm not mistaken. But right here, VP, same thing. It bounced off a VP line and kept going. So health is one of the top sectors of the year. So it could be heading for another leg up. So we got this. It didn't even cross yet. So that tells us we're early. We got MACD looking healthy as well. It's just not crossing as strong and is on the negative, but the bears are getting weaker. So I'm still going to take that as a positive sign. So we could possibly get in. This could be a potential swing too on UNH because it does have a lot of air to the upside, you could say, to recover. So we got the UNH is sitting at 531. There's no reason why I can't go to 540. So that's not bad. A little $9 to $8 move we could catch on UNH. So go watch that one in the health sector. I think I got one more. Oh, bull. I got freaking two more. I got CVS, guys. CVS looks good. CVS has a nice little green candle on major buy, like not major, but I'll say a strong buy zone. Look, this is what I'm pulling up, guys. So the reason I went all the way back here is because look, we bounced in here, we bounce here, we bounce here, we bounce here, we bounced here, and now I think we're getting ready to bounce one more time. So this one's gonna provide a little patience only because I wanted this candle to be a little stronger, but I still like the buy zone that is in, and it's curling finally here, and it's close to the oversold zone. So it might, what I'm getting off this RSI is that it's finally turning upside even before it gets to the oversold zone. So we bullish on that. This a little not the prettiest on MACD. I'll be honest. The only thing I like is that it's chin change. and that is cascading a little bit, not cascading nothing crazy, but it did cascade down a little. So this one, like I said, guys, we gotta have patience. So I'm not gonna jump into CVS until we crack. I'm probably not gonna touch it until we crack 98, 95, 15. Let me see what happens. You know what? 95.5, I think is a safer one. Yeah, I'm gonna do 95.5 because if we do 95.15, it can easily reject on 95.55, and it's not what 30 cents move. We're trying to get like a dollar move better. Trying to get this money. So yeah, I'll wait till it cracks this candle. This is the candle. Oh, sorry. Trying to get it above this candle right here. And I think we go up. It might want to reject on the my 50 EMA here, but it's all right if it wants to reject there, because if I got in at 95 point, yeah, 95.55 or 60, that's a dollar and change move that I rode the play in. So that's why I want to get that entry. Then the other anything before this price on this candle is too risky. It's gonna probably come down on you. But I'm bullish on CVS. Like we got sold already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even green candles was like semi sell-off days because there wasn't no bull move. So you know, CVS looks like it's ready to rebound after all that selling it did in all those days. So CVS. I like Abbott too. Abbott was one that I think I spoke about a week before, and it moved, but it was one of those in and out plays. Cause look, it broke my 200 EMA, but then it got smart. It got smacked down. So it was a funny, finicky move on Abbott when I had on the prior watch list. But I feel like this is second round for them right now, cause we're regaining some levels here after selling off 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It started trading in a channel 1 to the last 3 days of last week. So I'm looking at least to break. Don't look at Abbott unless we break. I want to fill this gap. I'll be honest, guys. But if we get above the volume profile line, I think we're gonna be okay. So let me see how this looks. 1 second. Got this. It could reject that 103, 10, almost 110 from one. Yeah, that's why I'll wait. I'll wait till we get to 110 because 110 should be able to go to at least 111. Yeah. So we're gonna watch Abbott around. We wanted to fill this gap, man. We wanted to fill this gap from that gap down there. So I'm gonna send an alert here for you guys. Now, am I bearish? No, I'm not bearish yet. But if we are going down, you could take Abbott under 105. I'm gonna say 105.40. Let me draw a line. 1 second to make a difference. Yeah, then it should go short. Probably get like a dollar and change move to the downside, but I'm more to the upside on Abbott. So that's what we're gonna look at. Let me see something on the 15, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to these levels. Right here could easily try to reject too. That's why I don't want to get in the 109s. 109 is a risky rejection area for Abbott, guys. All right. Yo, this list is kind of crazy. I just noticed it, guys. 1 sec. Anything else? Any health? Nope, 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 nope. Yo, I got ASO too, bro. That's funny.
Oh, wait. Maybe I didn't read properly. Then you wrote that? Oh, shit.
Bro, I got this shit on my watch list, bro, and I seen you added it. That's fire.
Nigga. Yeah, I saw that. Wow.
Y'all remember when I called this one like a week ago, maybe a week and a half. We wrote, well, whoever got in with me, this was banging.
Crazy.
We caught this. So I'm liking this setup. Obviously, Steve likes it too. He just added it. Yo, you can see my list too, or no?
Yeah, I just
Oh, okay.
reviewed it, but I didn't see that that was the last one. I probably just quick glanced it.
Okay, so I
That's
got a
wild.
break above. I'm gonna be honest, man. I like ASO. I think oh no, I didn't put it. I like ASO above 52. I'm gonna say 52.60. I'm gonna dissect it a little more. Hold on. I'm gonna put this right here. All right. That's a little too high. Hell no. I'm gonna miss some price action there. Okay. I'll update this later, guys. I promise. 1 second. All right. So ASO, right, guys? A lot of you probably never heard of this ticker, but this is a nice setup. We got double bottom on the RSI. Looks good to the upside. It did sell off straight into resistance, turning support. This was resistance on ASO right here. And look, it's bouncing. So it's bouncing from these levels. So
Bro, we good above 52, bro. Watch. Wait, watch when you put your line at 52.
yeah, so it's it should bounce. I'm a big resistance turn support trader. I believe in that. I mean, you could go through charts and you'll see a lot of plays do bounce on off resistance. So that's what I'm seeing right now, ASO. So another thing is this has a good trend line on the monthly that's respecting it between the moving averages, the EMA, sorry. So this is a good trend line that is there. So you could do that trend line and you could do the trend line from here too if you wanted to really help you, like try to get on a good entry point. So I want I'm gonna be honest, I want let me see what strikes. What strike? 1 second, guys. Yeah, bro. 50. Yeah, I'll say like around. You know what? I'm gonna put 2 entries. This could be a little risky one. That's to scale in. Don't go heavy, obviously. You scale in here on ASO, and then you're scaling in, and then you need to see what's gonna happen when she hits 52.20 or 25. Once she hits that, she should fly to at least 53. I'll be honest. So I'm gonna put these two price alerts on, but I definitely like the 52 zone you mentioned for sure. Actually, the second one is almost. Yeah.
Because on the daily, bro, that's prior resistance turns support like back-to-back days almost. You'll see. It's just wild.
Yeah,
Yeah, you already got it. You already got it.
look at the strength of this candle too, guys. I want you to notice the strength on this candle is like real solid. I'm only saying that because it overpowered these three. So ASO basically said fuck them other days. Like this Friday candle overpowered them. So that's why I like ASO, and I'm Steve likes it for his reasons, which I'm sure I'm gonna agree with anyways. So big
They're
watch.
all the same as yours.
Yeah, so big watch on ASO. I like that one. Um, let me see. I want to keep it in the same sector. I don't think I got any. Oh, okay. I guess I could talk about Five Below. Yeah, yeah, I should be. Oh, and Victoria's Secret. Yeah, I'll do that. All right, five. Yo, this one I'm bearish, guys. There's no reason why I see a upside move. I mean, that's just me technically speaking from my technical analysis. So what we got here? We got big red daily candle, right? But look at this. This is why I say I'm bearish, right? Because of this right here. This.
That's a different one, my brother. I did the same shit. That's just yeah. This is gonna be a second. There you go.
All right,
That
thank you.
one's bullish.
So
Gotcha.
I'm not bearish. Thank you for correcting me.
Nah,
I was
absolutely,
looking at
absolutely.
the
I did the
wrong
same
graph.
thing twice today on the same two tickers we did it.
All right, scratch that, guys. Not bearish. I'm bullish. That other graph was bearish as hell, though. All right, so yeah, we bullish. All right. So we bullish on 5 below. So we got this. This is a nice trend line. I don't even gotta draw it, but I just do it because I'm trying to teach y'all. So I'll just do it. Let me just do it. All right, boom. That's the trend line I saw before I even drew it. So 5 strong candle on the Friday. This is good. Real strong candle. And it's already clearing the 9, the 21.
Shit, it closed above it. You're right.
Yeah, so this is good. And I like this a lot. This little double bottom on the RSI is very promising. There's a higher low. So usually it's legging up for strength. So RSI looks good. We're still on the positive side. I know the MACD is going downside, but we're still positive. So that's still good. And these guys are getting weaker, the bears. So this could easily start turning up. So 5 below, we're gonna watch it. Let me look on the 15. Wow, guys, this is a perfect double bottom too. I don't know if you see what I'm seeing, but I'm gonna just show it to you guys. So this little circle there, we got another one. Look, this is double bottom I'm talking about. Boom, double bottom. So it cracked. It tried to hit 176. So we're not even gonna try to touch 5 below 176. All right. So we're gonna try to catch her. I'm gonna say 177.30 to be safe. That's what I'm gonna say. To be safe, 177.30. All right. 33. Oh, shit. I'll fix that. I'll fix that one. All right. So if we do get there, I'm expecting to test these price levels, which is good because on these days, 177 and change was support on these days. Was support here, was support here. It did go down, but look, it was a swing move. It ripped from 177. Now let me see how back can we go. Yeah, look, this is a good buy zone. Yeah, I definitely like that zone. So I don't even need to look no further. So we're gonna watch that. I got an alert on there. So 5 below. I apologize. I was looking at the wrong chart earlier when I was doing my watch list, but upside. So we haven't really called any puts yet. Now, keep in mind, I did draw this trend line. So if you're going to go off this trend line, you need to respect it. And if we do catch the 177s, the calls after it gets above this 177.33 mark, you have to be mindful that your trend line rejects around 179. So, you take profit or trim, leave runners. That's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to negate or ignore any candle that it's about to intersect your trend lines that you're drawing. So me, I would take profit, or not, I won't even take, I'll trim it just to see if it could ride up to at least 180, 184, which is be great to be honest. But 5 below is definitely looking like a nice, and look, this was the gap. It tried to fill the gap and it's starting to reclaim it. So it's already filling this little gap zone. So now I feel like it's going to test this candle price action or this price action around here. That's what I'm looking for on 5. After just literally just analyzing it in front of you guys because I was looking at the wrong one. All right, so we got 5. Okay, we got 5. Oh yeah, Victoria's Secret. Yeah, they bought a lot of maybe holidays. Girl, woman went crazy on Victoria's Secret, bro. Just try to look nice. So
Damn, that's a candle.
this is another resistance turn support and a nice big candle, bro. It's almost similar to the one we just saw. So look, this is support. I mean resistance. This was the resistance area. Because of this part right here, it was rejecting, and starting to pick up movement, pick up. So it's already It's already crossing. We already got the MACD crossing. Yo, you okay? Hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Once. All right. That was a little emergency I had earlier, yo. Yeah, we got this kissing. I'm sorry for that. Got this kissing. We got MACD, beautiful cascading like a staircase. So if we get a smaller one tomorrow, I'll be honest with you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like this is probably gonna cascade 2 more levels down before we start seeing some bulls, but that's all right. Just these are the type of plays you get in when you're swinging. You're getting in before the move. So I like Victoria's Secret. I think above my 50 EMA is gone because we got a little rejection here. So yeah, I'm gonna play it safe. This is actually my entry on that white little dotted line that I got earlier. Let me move the there you go.
I was liking it too, Cam. It reclaimed the 200 on the daily and pin barred on that really nice candle. So
Yes,
looking
sir.
strike, brother.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, bro. So we got this is a good entry, I'll say, for Victoria's Secret. Because once it gets here, we should have seen no rejection until at least 43. Yeah, 43.5 maybe. And we want to get in around 41.5-ish. So that's not a bad move. It's a good dollar and change. So definitely we could watch retail. I mean, we just did holiday season shopping. Who knows? They probably went crazy and they sold a lot. I don't know. I have to ask your girl that, your wife that. Let's go. So I like Victoria. Yeah, it's a lot, guys. I'm sorry. Victoria. I read this CVS. I like Campbell Soup, man. Campbell Soup look good. I don't know why they got 2 of these, but whatever. Campbell Soup. This is one of these anti-inflationary plays. We got a pin bar on resistance, guys. Pin bar on resistance. I was just talking to you guys about how I like to dictate my move on the daily by looking at the color of the candles when they're on resistance or support. So this is a nice strong candle. There's a nice pin bar candle on resistance. Campbell Soup has been trading in the channel. Phew. Almost a week and a half, man. It's been trading in this channel. So
Nice little flag.
yeah, for this candle, right?
Yeah, that's a very nice consolidation like channel.
And it's riding the 9 on the daily crazy. It's really not trying to go under. I mean, this one went under a little bit, but it went right back above and it's holding the 9 in VWAP. So on the daily, it looks like it's ready for a strong move to the upside.
Absolutely.
This looks juicy too right here. So we could catch Campbell's. Only thing Campbell got me a little bit worried is the MAC. It already crossed though. That's the good thing. And another thing that I like, weak as F, the Bears, when they try to clap Campbell Soup down, they didn't get any strength. Like the strength over here, guys. This is weak as hell. So this could easily flip to the upside. So this is an easy entry. You just gotta wait till it clears these levels. We're gonna go. I'm gonna play it safe since it's only gonna be the 58 calls if they got it. So I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna say right here, we blast. Campbell Soup go higher. I think it's at his all-time highs too, if I'm not mistaken. So my target, I don't even know if I got a target on it. Let me see, bro. Let me see, team. Bear with me. I want to see what's their 52 week real quick. Yeah, bro. This is definitely Campbell's all-time highs. So yeah, usually stocks go on all-time highs. Usually go $3 to $4 to the upside. So from experience that I've been through. So we could watch Campbell going to that side, to outside. We got anything else? No. Yeah, I got some Chinese names too that I'm gonna talk about. Oh, Pfizer. Pfizer was moving good. Shout out to Kleiman because he was actually talking about Pfizer Friday. They had some type of drug news, he was saying. So I'm gonna wait until Pfizer gets above my 9 at least. Yeah. I think if we get above here, she could fly to almost 53. So if we get above here, that's 52, 52.40. I'm gonna say 52.40 if you want to get the promising print. I'll say 52.5 will definitely print and then go after the 53. But definitely Pfizer's on watch. This thing has a trend line too. I don't even gotta draw it. A lot of trend lines is being respected. I'm gonna be honest. Look at this. Pfizer's like, no, I'm not going low. Like that trend line is strong. Only thing, oh no, I was gonna say because when I saw this view, it looked straight like a linear a linear line here, but no, it's actually curling up. It's just legging up. So this is good. This is good. Pfizer's another health one we could watch. This is a little shaky. You see, this is what I didn't want to see in the chart that I just showed you guys when I said the MACD bears is weak. Nah, these MACD bulls is strong. It's only because the tint is dark. If we got light, it'll be cool. So I'll say tomorrow might not be the day, but I'm not gonna predict that yet. Because tomorrow it could put in a tint change on that daily for us to try to get in. So yeah, I still like that entry though. Oh no, wait. I don't like this. It rejected over here, 52.58 and then 50. Damn, this was a double top rejection. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust this, guys. That's why you gotta look at stuff in all angles. So I'm gonna say here. Because there, at least it breaks this resistance. This resistance is strong, but not super strong because it wicked up there. You know, this had like, I think there was a couple candles that rejected on this area. Let me verify and confirm with you guys. Yeah, this one rejected here, then another candle tried to, and then it brought it down before it went up. So yeah, I'll just say it has to get above this little rejection zone. So we can start filling this little gap right here to go to at least 53. Yeah, I like the 53 calls or even 54 if you're gonna do 2 weeks out. But yeah, PFE looks ready. We just gotta be aware around 52.10 or 52.15 because it could get smacked right down. So I'm gonna put a line here and I'm gonna put an alert rejection zone once I update it after the zone. So Pfizer. So it's a lot of tickers. Hold on. Pfizer, Merck, I did. Or so let's verify BA. I gotta do Meta, I gotta do Cisco, McDonald's, BA. I'll do 6. I'll tell you guys why I took. I want to discuss 6. Veil, and then the China names. All right, so let's do Veil real quick. So we played CLF this week. My man Nami made money off of that. I made money off of that. So this one might have been the lagger from that because of the daily. The daily looks good right now on Veil. So I drew my trend line beforehand. Okay. I want to, oops, sorry about that. Let me expand it. There we go. So this Veil is trading at a nice little tight channel of 16. Oh no, I'll say 70 to 16. Yeah, I'll say 16. So a little dollar nice channel. that it's been trading on for the past like week and a half. So I feel like it's getting ready to burst to the upside. Remember, Vail was at least almost 18 not too long ago. Yeah. So we got a rejection after it cracks here. I'm trying to see. Boom, right here is where I see a 17 and something. Yeah, 17. Yeah, that would be a good T. This is a target, a taking profit target point right here. 17, almost 70. So we're gonna wait until Vail 17.15. Not even, I'm gonna do 17.20. 7.19 on my one more. I think there is a good safe entry on Vail to go to the upside. We got RSI in our favor. Just crossed. Friday just crossed, literally. So we got the MAC. I think it's still on the positive, guys. Yes, positive side on MACD. So it could start curling here. Why? Because it curled here. And look, the Bears is getting weaker. So that's good strength to the upside. So we go watch that one. If Vail goes, you guys can be aware that NUE, AA, you know, certain material metal stocks, they kind of move together. So you could watch CLF too. If Vail is moving, maybe CLF wants to continue. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about Meta. Meta got an upgrade, y'all, last week. They dig ahead with a lawsuit, but that didn't even hit them hard. I think that only hit them with the market open within the first couple minutes. I'll say within the first 10 minutes of the market opening, yeah, it hit Meta, the little lawsuit that they had to pay. But then after that, it rebounded like crazy. So Meta head and shoulder inverse. That's what I see here. That's finally it's did it kiss? I'm sorry, I meant to blow that up, guys. Yeah, it already kissed. So it's kissing ours. The R size is already kissing, they crossing. You want to play it safe on Meta. Let's see. This is good too. On the positive side, it might just bounce off the orange line and push more to the upside. So major resistance on Meta was 125 and change, right? Let me make sure. Oh shit, 125 to the T. All right, 125 is resistance on Meta. So I wouldn't even risk the sneaky entry before that. I will wait till we get above that to fill in some Meta calls. Cause Meta's already gap filling over here. So we get Meta. Yeah, you could print easily on 126 calls. So might as well just wait till it cracks 125. Because 126, it's really no rejection. That's another thing, guys. When you're picking these strike prices, always try to pick something you don't see the ticker rejecting on. Because if you pick a strike price that is rejecting a lot, then your basically your potential profits is limited. You know, you get something that doesn't reject on it, then your profits could keep kicking up. So that's why I want to see if we could get the 126 after we get above 125 and we hold. I wanted to hold above 125 because 126 there's really no rejection. I'm talking about 126 on the money too. So Meta looks good for the week. If tech decides to push, you could definitely watch Snapchat with Meta. So got that. We
It's a
got
good sympathy.
yeah. We got Cisco.
Pins too.
Yeah, pins too. Thank you, bro. Yeah. We got
Sure.
Cisco. Cisco got a nice little pin bar in the daily, double bottom here, just forming. We got MACD still on the positive side. It is diving a little. I don't really like that it's breaking this recent pivot over here, but it's all right. We're gonna wait for these levels to hit to even get in on them. Now, Cisco had good yard this past quarter, so I don't see why they can't go more to the upside. This communications company actually did well. Security, yeah, sorry, security company. All right, so I would like to see Cisco around 48.30, right? Because they have 48.5s and they got 49s. So if we could get the 48, I'm gonna put an alert around 48.25, I'll say. 26 is okay, 1 cent, it's not gonna bother it. Yeah, and then we could ride this thing to possibly 49 if it really wants to go. All depending. Remember, I told you the Qs is not looking stronger than SPY. SPY is looking stronger. So that's the upside alert. We could definitely play a downside alert. I don't see why not, just to be prepared. So downside alert for me will be, I'll say 46.30. I'm gonna say 46.30. Downside alert. 46.30 could get you at least to 46 or 45 and change. I'm looking at these price actions over here where the candles is opening and closing. So over here, this thing goes as low as 45.90, 45, 44.90. We got 44 here, we got 44 here, 44.90. So both sides, and I'll do it for all the tickets that I just spoke about. I'll put an alert in the bottom too, just in case, you know. It's best to be prepared for whatever the market wants to give us. Cisco, Meta. I haven't spoke about McDonald's. I haven't spoke about BA. All right, so I think I got like about 5 more. Yeah, yeah, I think I got like 5 more. Yeah. So let's do McDonald's. McDonald's. All right. A lot of these, because of the short week, man, a lot of these freaking tickers been trading in a tight channel. All right, so McDonald's. It just went under my 50 EMA. So I wanted to reclaim at least 270. 270.80. I wanted to reclaim. McDonald's, hold on. 270.80, 270.80 is right here, team. Around here. Hold on. I could just put this right here. Make my life easier. And I'll update it later. Right here, save. All right. So 278. I mean 270. What level is this? Hold on. Did I just put the wrong? Okay, 270. Yeah, I definitely put that wrong. Hold on, guys. That says 90. Let me put. I think it said 95. I don't want to put the wrong alert. 271. 270.86. All right, I'll fix that. 90 is all right. It's only 4 cents. So yeah, if McDonald's gets to that level, we could definitely push easily to 272 once it rips 270.90. Yeah, 270.90 zone. Yeah, 270.90 zone. It's this. That's why it's reading this. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like it. There we go. It's throwing me off. There we go. There we go. Update. All right. So 272 is the one that I'll go for. You could go for 275, but I would only do that if you go in next week. But after 270, we could get 272 calls. Now, if you want to play the safe side, we could short it under 263. I think under 263, it goes. Let me adjust this. There's a gap actually underneath. Is that a wick? Yes, it is. That is a wick over. I'm looking at this candle, guys, right here. That is a wick around 260, 237. So if McDonald's decides to crash on us or dump, yeah, we could definitely go for the 260 puts. if it decides to go down. Yeah, 260 puts will bring it in the money. It should go in the money if it goes down. So we're gonna be prepared for both sides. Let me put the alert here and I'll adjust it later, just so I won't forget. All right, boom. So McDonald's, let's go on. BA, everybody hates BA. I hate BA too. Can't trust this thing. But they got the biggest contract deal, if I'm not mistaken, they ever received last week with these plane orders. Now we got a nice pin bar hammer here, bouncing right off the 9. So that's good. Whenever you see these candles bouncing off EMA or moving average is good. That means it's respecting it. So that's why I decided to talk about BA. So BA, for me to be in BA, we got rejection around 189.90 or 188, right? And we closed at I'm sorry, we got rejection on 191. I apologize. I don't know why I said 180. 191. And we got the pin bar closing at 189. Okay, so honestly, I would like it to break 191.35, and we could ride it to 195. So let me just put this alert here. Took TP around 193. All right, let me look at the 15. Okay, this thing gotta go a little higher. Because if we get in here, 190.5, it could easily. So this is a sneaky entry, but I like it, man. I'm gonna put 2 alerts on this one. 189.09. Yeah, I'm gonna update all this. I just want to make sure. Okay. So that would be this would be a sneaky entry, and the only reason I'm saying that is because it's above the volume profile line. I don't even know why it keeps going down. I'm gonna figure that out later. So if BA wants to go above that, it has potential to go at least to 192 almost. So if we do catch it around that 189 mark and ride it to 192, that's not bad. Now once it breaks this part right here, 192, I'll say 30, 192.30. Let me put an alert and I'm gonna adjust it real quick. 192.30, bang, perfect. 192.30, it should go to at least 195 without hesitating. I'm not bearish though. Let's dissect the other indicators that I use. Maybe you use them too. So look, it's building support. So we getting in before it even kisses, but it already curled. So it's telling us a sign of that. Oh, BA is showing strength. This is not that promising, but we're not gonna be phased by it because what we see BA doing here. Look at this MAC. Yeah, it rejected. It's doing the same shit it did here. Look, rejected, build a support, and it went back up. Rejected. So it could be doing the same thing over here too. Look, it rejected and it built support. So it could possibly be doing that same movement for this coming week. And it could possibly go to the upside because this thing has just been rejecting off the MACD lines. They're not even crossing each other. So it could be a nice move to the upside for BA. It could be a strong move actually. So let's see what we get this week. So you can watch those levels. I mean, I wouldn't go short because this thing is bouncy like hell. You only really want to go short on BA if I'm gonna be honest. If it wants to go on the 178.5. Yeah, I like 178.5. But you gotta get out once you hit like 170. That's why it's tricky. Yeah, I don't even want you guys going low or shorting BA because so much confluence going on here. The safest entry, I'm gonna be honest, is this right here. And I know you guys ain't gonna wait until this thing goes to 167 because look how it dumped. Well, it didn't dump, it climbed here. So there was no bounce. So once it goes on 167, it's gonna go down. So we're gonna stay bullish. We're not even gonna try to watch downside on BA. But I don't, this is one of my last ones that I like because I just don't trust BA. I wanted to talk about Six Flags. Some guy took a stake on Six Flags after hours this day. The Six Flags blasted. And then it's pulled back. And then it rebounded a little bit on Friday. So we looking like a nice, at least a nice bounce to at least 25. You could take the 25 calls. But this, I would take January calls. Just because Six Flags doesn't really move that fast, number one. And not all Six Flags are. I don't even, honestly, this guy, I think he did it prepping for the summer. Because the Six Flags here in New York and New Jersey is definitely closed. But I know in Cali, I think if they got one out there, I'm not mistaken, they open. So this guy, I think he just made his buy before the summer came, and Six Flags actually ends up ripping. So this is a beautiful buy zone though. It's undeniable. Look at this area. Oh, why am I drawing this? I already got a rectangle. Sorry. Didn't notice. It's just because it was different color. Hold on. So this is the rectangle that I was gonna use. I'm not even gonna change it. So yeah, this is a beautiful buy zone. This rectangle bounces. Look, it literally touched my rectangle here and it bounced in it. If I had knew, I would have been with that guy and bought Six Flags too. Because look, that day that he bought in, it bounced off of my rectangle, my blue line, and ripped. So we're gonna keep watch. Let me look at my 15 real quick, team. And this, I would not day trade it. This would be a swing, I'll be honest with you guys. So, okay. It's much clearer here. 2380. Let me look at 2380 for you guys. Right, okay. I'm sure I wanted to do a freaking alert. Hold on. Let me delete that. I'm sorry. There you go. So Six Flags 2380. 2380. We can start watching for calls. So smack Six Flags. Yes, I like this one. 2380. So we're gonna watch Six Flags at 2380. I'm gonna put alerts. I'm not actually gonna watch it. I watch a whole bunch of other shit. I just let the alerts do their thing. All right, guys, we're almost done. Sorry for making this one long. So we did meta. So all I gotta do is talk about China, I think, and that's it. Yeah. All right. So yeah, China names. Meta BA. Yeah. China names. So JD.com. All right. So China looking weak, man. I'm not gonna lie. Not. This is why I want to talk about China, just so we could be ready for like puts, just in case calls ain't gonna work in our favor. But whatever. So China, JD. I wish this was a doji because this would have been a perfect evening star. So
That shit still is to me, bro. It looks almost perfect. That's a
yeah,
pretty downside move. You got it.
yeah. So we got MACD already snitching on us, saying that JD wants to dump a little more. You just gotta watch it because over here it's close to this bounce area on the other side. So I like, well, I like the MAC 2 increase. What the hell? We got the MAC here increase. So that's good. Nothing strong here at all. I wanna see JD get clobbered under 55. 55 is risky, could just bounce. I'm gonna be honest, I gotta wait till we get 54.40 or so. Let me check how this looks on my graph. So if I put an alert here, it's already under my 200 EMA. It could go straight down to at least here. Yeah. So that's the downside alert on JD. It'll be risky to take puts as soon as it gets under my 200 EMA because this is a bounce zone for JD, you understand? So you want to wait till it clears this and this clean. So this alert knocks these price ranges out. So we could go to the downside. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta bring this down a little bit, guys. I didn't notice this had a pivot over here. Hold on a second. I'm still bearish though. I'm not gonna change my mind. Yeah, there we go. So we gotta go a little bit more down. I'd rather play the wick than the closing or the opening of a candle. The wick is weaker. Basically, everybody knows wicks means weakness. So I'd rather get it on an entry where the wick is. So that's why I brought it down a little bit. I didn't like how it was bouncing. This was a strong candle, and I had my orange alert right on it. So yeah, I had to just bring it down a little bit, a little adjustment. But definitely downside JD. This is classic lower highs right here happening. Like right here, we got one, we got another one over here. You understand? So that's how you gotta look at these charts. So you can look at the bigger picture that it's getting lower and lower, the rejection. So JD to the downside. So we got JD, we got I wanted to talk about TSM. Taiwan semis. This one, unfortunately, is not giving me bear vibes. Because it's bouncing off of this resistance right here. Resistance. It already gap filled. You understand? So that's why I'm like, oh, it already gap filled, and we got a one leg bounce here, and it might make the second leg bounce for a double bottom. I pulled up the line graphs so you guys could see a little clear what I'm talking about. But you got to be patient on this one. I'm gonna wait until honestly we crack. I'll say if we get above 78 and hold, then yeah, I'll pay attention. I wouldn't want to play it in between the ranges of these candles right here in the last weeks because it could easily get smacked down. So you wanted to break these candles from last week to go to this price level at least. You know, so you can at least try to get to 80.5 even. So let me put an alert on the wick here, 78. Right here, I'm gonna do 78. No, not 66. That's a bad number. All right. So here, if we get in the base of this 78, 66, possibly ride JD to 80. And if we get in on the right candle, we crack volume profile line. So that's positive too. We got a nice price pump. But like I said, just be patient on this because, excuse me, guys. MACD is to the downside. It's just that the Bears aren't that strong, but you don't want to be fooled on the strength. It's just a 10 change, but the strength is still evened out like throughout those couple days. Like it's just that it had a 10 change, but they're not cascading down at all. It's the same exact levels on the map. So maybe tomorrow I'll start making a smaller one. You understand? Then maybe end of the day tomorrow, like, oh, we could get in TSM now, but it's still a little move heavy to the downside. So I want you guys to be patient and wait till it gets above this price level to get in. So team J, oh no, TSM and JD. Team is the next one, guys. No. Team looks bullish, right? We got
I
a
just wrote that. That's fire.
yeah, team looks bullish. We got a nice little pin bar, a little hammer on support. This is support, clear as day. My entry, let me dissect the other stuff for you. Over here, it looks like it's already gonna turn, and it's turning, and if it does turn, it's making a higher low here. So that's strong. That's strong for the bulls, yes. This yeah, does worry me a little bit, not a lot. It's just because we could get a potential bounce off here, this MACD. I mean, the bulls are getting weaker. So tomorrow, I honestly would like to see this to the positive side because this thing been on the negative side for, bro, since it gap down. Yep. Wait, let me slide it back. Oh no, it's been actually it started entering negative side since it started trending down. There you see. So you guys remember what I talk about with the MACD? If it's on the negative side, usually indicates the trend. The trend is going to be to the downside. So look, team flipped negative side, not even negative, started just tanking away from the positive side on the MACD over here around this price. And look at what happened. As soon as it went negative, it was over. It was rejection city for team. It was just, it retested the highs, but it was a hard rejection on every test. And it was just downhill from there, kept going down, 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 down. So I want this MACD to somehow bounce off this orange and start heading to the upside so we could catch these calls. But it's a setup. It's a perfect, not a perfect setup. It's a great setup because of the nice green candle we got off support. So we could play a little inside move to about maybe 135, 130. I don't see why 135 calls shouldn't print. If we push it to the upside tomorrow, let me see what we look like on the 15. On the 15. Yeah, so I'm gonna watch 132. 132. Wait, there's a resistance. I want to watch 132.5, bro. There we go. So if we get in here and it goes our favor, we could definitely go to 135 easily. And if you swing it, you hold that and you go for longer. But it's a short week. So I'm gonna be honest. It's best to day trade. If anything, start looking for swings on Wednesday or Thursday. Cause we got oh, never mind. There's another short week coming up. Yeah, any swings I'm gonna call, I'm probably gonna put January 1st week expiration I mean second week, sorry. Cause we got a short week because of New Year's. So team is a good one to watch. And I think that's it, gang. But let me just go through my team: JD, TSM, Pfizer, Merck, United Health, Abbott, CVS, Vail, 6, or SM. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Seif got a few. He likes CL, clean energy, CLNE. This is Seif's watch. Hold on.
Yeah, bro. Nothing in depth. Just glance at them, and then I'll set the alerts tomorrow morning.
Okay. So Seif likes this. We got like a doji, could be a reversal.
For demand too. Cause look where the last Marabusu candle came in, the green all the way to the left,
Mm-hmm.
middle of
Yeah.
the chart,
Oh, yeah.
right there. So it's like bounce off
Yeah.
of there.
So he likes CLE. He likes his favorite is Zom. We actually played Zom on Friday on DTE. So he's probably looking at the continuation, and I don't even blame him. It looks promising, and yeah, I love it. I love it a lot. MACD Greens just came in too on Fridays.
There
So
it is, bro.
we gonna watch oil in general now because of that. He likes we already spoke about ASO. Oh, he been on Disney since Friday. So he's fucking with Disney again this week. So I agree. I see what you see. Yeah, I see what you see, bro. Yo, bro, this could have been a morning star. Hold on. Yeah, I like Disney, man. It's a good buy. This is double bottom, clear as day.
Boom.
Perfect. Everything's good. Whoa. Everything's good, man. This should start turning too. Yeah. What you looking at? Calls above, like,
Yeah, just about Friday's high day. Cause
yeah,
it's in that little channel.
yeah, 88.
Hmm.
I'll put
Yeah, like 89.
yeah, that there should get you to at least 90 calls. That's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
I like Disney. I like Zom, CLE. We got Amazon. He likes Amazon too. Amazon, I see why he likes it. Almost a almost a bullish engulfing, but it wasn't strong enough. But this is still good because this is undeniable. It's triple.
That's the snitch indicator. Yup.
This is good. And Amazon, I don't know what level he's looking at, but we usually have the same level. So I'm saying 88, high 88, like high, I'll say 88. Let me see what's 7, because we could reject here, my brother. A $2 move. You could get the $2 move on 88. Let me see, 88.
Yeah, once it closes above Friday's high day and
Yeah,
it clears the 8th day, I'll take it to the 21 day.
yeah. Ride it to 90 at least. At least to 90. So yeah, I like that. I like this right here. Like I'm gonna say 30. See? Got 88.30. There's no rejection on 89, yeah. There's really no rejection on 89. So if we get in around here, we could kill it at 89, start trimming off the top to try to ride it to 90. Not a bad play. And he also likes, I think he put Google Alphabet. Yeah, and Target. Those are the last two. And ERX. What's ERX? I gotta look at that one. Google.
I think you're gonna like ERX.
Google's similar to Amazon, but stronger.
Yeah, Google and Amazon are twins. Google's stronger. Exactly.
Hmm. Yeah, stronger. Google is gonna fly. 91.70. I think she flies to. Let me see. Let me put my. I know you're gonna put your alert, so I'm gonna just put lines on my shit. Yeah, I like 91.70. That I say 91.70 could print us at least to 93.5. That's not bad. $2.
Yeah, another $2 move. Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. So Google will go on. A lot of good names, a lot of setups. So we got TGT, Target. Oh wow, Target is juicy. Almost a is it a bullish engulfer? It's almost cannot.
No, that's saying go for it.
That's it's just this wick that's just a little low.
Mm,
That's how the market throws people off, bro. They never want
hmm.
to get a perfect pattern, but I'm gonna say this is a bullish engulfing, bro. So you're on the same page, so that's cool, good. So 144 is not worth it. 144.60 looks good. Let me see. 144.60. Yeah, could get you. They got 145 calls. What I like about Target, I'll be honest, is that it's a low. So if it does reverse, it's gonna be a nasty strong reversal. Cause honestly,
RSI MACD says the same thing.
yeah, 'cause this is literally just dug himself out of the overbought. I mean oversold, sorry, oversold some. So
That's where we want to get in. The first
exactly.
breath it takes above that.
So yeah. So we could look for that break, right? Or if the market decides to pull back, right? We could look for a bounce entry. Let me see. I like to look for bounce entries, man. Let me see. All right, so yeah, 143 zone is a good bounce. 142.85 to 143 is a good bounce because I'm looking at this right here, guys. This not looking at this for the bounce entry because I feel like it's not gonna revisit down here after the holidays and all that. Everybody got their shopping done. And plus we're bullish on it going into the week. So if it does give us a pullback, definitely would watch around 143, 142.90 zone. Because this is where it's
Yep.
actually showing area of confluence. So definitely a nice chart. I like it. Good chart, bro. Good eye. We're gonna go one
Thank you, my
more,
bro.
right? Yeah, ERX.
You're liking energy, so I shout out to energy for that. Look at this shit.
Mm, yeah, I see it. It's a nice strong candle.
Our resistance
Oh
too.
shit, yep. Add resistance, bro. This thing should go. Yeah, bro. Let me see. Guy cracks here. It cracks. What? 67. It might open higher, bro. I'm gonna be honest, but let's see. I'm gonna
Yeah,
watch.
anything above 67 to 67.50 is
Yeah,
good.
that's what I was gonna say. 67.5 is gonna be my zone to watch her.
Mhm.
Yeah, 67.5, bro. Definitely. Sorry, I just 4 cents will make a freaking difference. Yeah, bro, because from there, it could definitely go to 70, 71. It's a lot of potential, my brother. And we got the MACD just getting pulled up on the screen, just crossed. This is what I meant, just pulled up the bulls. And RSI, it's undeniable too, man. It's a good buy. Yeah, showing strength. That's why I picked those energies. So that's good, man.
Yeah.
Things is lining up. When you see things like you see regular tickers lining up with like ETFs and stuff, that's good. Like, look, Steve brought up I didn't even look at ERX. I'll be honest with you guys. I didn't even look at that shit. He looked at it, and this is the energy ETF. So it's definitely going with the other one, like this. Follow
That's what
instruction.
you're here for.
All right,
All right.
gang.
Thank you, man, for looking through all that.
Yeah, of course. Hold on. I want to see these comments.
Somebody was saying the video forward. That's all I really saw. For
That's
that.
all you saw? All right.
Mhm.
All right. So NVIDIA.
That way it'll at least be in the recording if they fell asleep.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because I know other people different time zone. I feel bad. That's why I recorded. NVIDIA looks good. The only thing I'm be honest, NVIDIA looks. This is why I said the Qs don't look too strong. Okay, whoever asks about NVIDIA, my personal opinion, you might be bullish on it because you see that it has a green candles. Well, it's not a strong candle, but a green candle on support. But there's a big but. These two are downside. This is not showing any strength, to be honest. And the MACD either. This is a freaking quadruple top. with these guys cascading dark tint at that. So if you're asking what side, I'm not bullish on Nvidia, and I didn't even pull up no chips. Well, TSM was the only one that was chipped.
Yeah, and they're all looking bearish.
They're bearish. You feel me? So you gotta be prepared. So I'm bearish. Whoever asks about Nvidia, Ford. I was looking at EVs, man. I'm gonna be honest. I don't see one that I like.
All EVs look bearish.
They
Lucid,
all look
Rivian,
bearish.
Neon,
They all look bearish. Ford
Tesla.
is due for a bounce, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's only because of this. We already bouncing out of that oversold area. So out of all EVs, this probably has potential to bounce first. But the Mac is on the negative side. So you gotta play the rejection. Yeah, I'm not gonna say we bullish. It looks strong, but nah, I'm bearish. I'm still bearish, yeah. So
For
Ford
sure, man.
and Nvidia bears, all right?
That's all I saw. Thank you for everything, bro.
Nah, of course, my brother. Tomorrow we live, yo. We live again.
Oh, for sure. This whole week, or what you thinking
Yeah, the
just
whole
tomorrow?
week.
This is fire. All
So,
right, man. Look forward to it.
so we killed it last week on Zoom all week. So let's kill it again. Welcome in all
Thirsty.
the new Xmas members that are rock with us for 2 weeks. Sorry, I know I know they got one day taken off, but hey, can't argue when something was free. So
Exactly.
Sure.
All right, man. Hey, Nami, have a blessed vacation, bro. Live it up.
Bro,
Yeah.
I might be here, man. My flight got canceled. I'll talk to you later.
No.
Oh man, it's all right, man. We're gonna chop it up then. We're gonna have fun.
Yeah, I'll be with you. I'll be with the crew. That's right. I've got big smiles already. Just listening to the team.
All right,
Ha,
bro.
that's
We're
what's
gonna
up.
catch some candlestick waves a different way, bro.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be up early tomorrow too. If y'all want to trade some futures, I'm gonna go hit some futures in the morning before we start actually trading.
Sure, brother. Yeah, I enjoy, man. Thanks for everything again.
Likewise, man. Y'all be safe. Nice chopping it up. See you in the morning.
All right, man. Bye.
All right.